In the top stories, 21 boys honored on International Day of the Boy Child. Grenada's NPP celebrates 40 years, and UN forecasts improved prospects for world economy. Hello and welcome to the ZIZ Midday newscast. Today is Friday, May 17th, 2024. I'm Scotty C. Hendrickson. Nationally, 21 primary school students were recognized for being boys of excellence on Thursday, May 16th, International Day of the Boy Child, during a ceremony at the CUNA Caribbean Conference Center in Fort Lands. Hosted by the Department of Gender Affairs, awards were presented to young men who demonstrated virtues of respect, self-control, empathy, compassion, discipline, and kindness. The awardees also exhibited exemplary attitudes and behaviors in their respective schools and community. Gender Field Officer Dion Brown congratulated the awardees, saying, "Today we have witnessed the embodiment of resilience, determination, and excellence in our young men. Each young man honored here today has demonstrated not only academic prowess, but also a profound commitment to embody the virtues that truly make a wonderful human being and a future that knows no boundaries," he stated. In highlighting the theme, Provide, Protect, Prepare, Minister of State responsible for Gender Affairs, Honorable Iseline Phillip, said the words are quite fitting as the government works to mold boys of excellence into men of character. "I encourage us to recommit to the cause of the boy child, and let us pledge to create a nation where they are valued, where their voices are heard, and where they are empowered to reach their fullest potential." Minister Phillip added that boys are integral to the fabric of society, and their well-being and empowerment are just as critical to the nation's prosperity. The awards were presented by Prime Minister Honorable Dr. Terence Drew, Deputy Prime Minister Honorable Dr. Jeffrey Hanley, and Honorables Philip Conras Maynard and Samuel Duggins. One boy from each primary school was selected for an award. The Ministry of Health in St. Kitts and Nevis welcomed a 4-member delegation from the St. Martin Medical Center, SMMC, earlier this week. According to the Ministry of Health, the delegation from the SMMC engaged in fruitful discussions with senior hospital and ministry staff, focusing on opportunities for cooperation, networking, and capacity building for clinical staff. These discussions are expected to pave the way for enhanced medical services and shared expertise, ultimately benefiting the citizens and residents of St. Kitts and Nevis. Curtis Martin, Acting Permanent Secretary in the Ministry of Health, greeted the delegation and expressed his enthusiasm for the potential avenues of cooperation. Martin highlighted the importance of such visits, stating, the exchange of knowledge and expertise with St. Martin Medical Center is invaluable. We look forward to developing deeper and more meaningful collaborations that will enhance our healthcare system and benefit our clinical staff. Acting PS Martin is also quoted as saying, "By working together with SMMC, we can significantly improve patient outcomes, sharing best practices and advancing our medical knowledge will lead to better, more effective treatments for our people." The ministry said that this partnership represents a commitment to excellence in healthcare for St. Kitts and Nevis. As it advances analytical laboratories, the St. Kitts and Nevis Bureau of Standards has acquired a state-of-the-art high-performance liquid chromatography device. The HPLC is used for food and drug regulators, testing laboratories, and law enforcement agencies globally for trace-level analysis, as it separates compounds dissolved in liquid samples to test the components present and their concentrations. The Bureau of Standards is better equipped to detect hidden substances such as allergens, toxins, and other harmful compounds in both imported and locally produced food and water. Beyond safety testing, The HPLC's capabilities extend to analyzing the nutritional content of fresh produce. This function is particularly beneficial for small businesses, agro-processors, and farmers, potentially enhancing their trade prospects by meeting international standards. For those trade purposes, international bodies such as the European Union, USDA, and FDA impose rigorous testing requirements demanding analysis from devices like the HPLC to ensure compliance with global standards such as the Codex for Food Safety. The Bureau's acquisition of this equipment aligns with its mandate to meet such requirements, thereby facilitating the safe movement of goods. Later this month, a team from the manufacturer will arrive in the Federation to install, train, and validate the equipment, marking the commencement of its operational phase.